What's your favorite opening? Or what openings do you like?
There was an opening that got me back into chess when I was 15. I had quit for like 3 years, and I went to my friend's house, and he had a book by Lars Skandorf, a Danish grandmaster, called The Caro-Kann Defense, which is C6.
Do you want white or do you want black? Do you want to show them the opening?
This is the opening.
That's
The Caro-Kann Defense. So you play E4, I play C6. I have to play black.
That's it.
Yeah, and we developed from here. I put my
what counts as an opening? Okay, but the development, does the development matter?
Yeah, so from here the development goes into the variations of the Caro-Kann. So this is the Caro-Kann. Like, you can be in a city, but then you can be in neighborhoods. So
that's a very non-dramatic. Okay.
Yeah. 2 pawns in the center. So that's called the Breyer variation.
So what's a good thing for me?
Two squares. Yeah, if you can put 2 pawns in the center, yeah, you should. And then
so that's a good thing.
Yes, and then I will go here, and now you have to decide what you're going to do with your center pawn. You can push, take, or defend it.
And push, take, or defend, right?
Yeah.
What would you suggest? Take is the worst?
Take is just stable, so we just trade. But pushing is considered the best. Advancing and taking my space away from me. So I think Alpha Zero or Stockfish would probably always push. And now there's something called like the main line or the sideline. Main line is what's the most popular, played at all levels, which is moving the bishop here. I've played this a lot. But for beginners, and intermediate players, this is why I love this opening so much. On move 3, black already has a plus score, which is crazy. Like, that's not supposed to happen. And there's this very tricky second most popular move, which is undermining your center, trying to get you to take my free pawn, but destabilize and leave both of them kind of hanging. And
is that why the plus score? Is because you're susceptible to the destabilization?
Yes, because people at 99% of the rating ladder do not understand how to deal with what's coming, basically. They don't know how to deal with a structural attack.
So would Stockfish try to defend the pawn here and keep
No, it would take the pawn and tell you to go fuck yourself.
Oh. I knew that, because I am 3,400.
Right. It would take the pawn and be like, all right, win it back. And even if you did, you would suffer. It would make you win it back in the most annoying way. It would make you tie your shoes together and block.
So I, like, as Stockfish, I would take.
Yes, that's the best move.
That's the best move.
But not at 99% of the rating ladder, which is funny.
Interesting. But you like to play this.
I play this against GMs. I play both. I move my bishop. I push.
And what are the different ways it evolves? Like, then the rest doesn't matter. So this is just like a pawn structure thing.
Yeah, and I mean, again,
how deep are most openings? So it's anywhere from like 2 moves to like 10 moves kind of thing?
Yeah, you can be out of theory very, very quickly. Move 2, move 3. Like, basically on your own, you have a general idea, but you don't remember games. Yeah. I mean, I know Caro-Kann games from start to finish because I've played it since 2011.
So you know all the different branches that goes with that down.
Yeah, I think I know every opening in chess, basically. I think most titled players know every opening, but we can't play it competitively because we'd be, but...
What are some of the weirder openings that, like, slightly suboptimal, but might be explored? Like, Magnus might play them just to fuck with the opponent.
He played something recently, actually, against this German prodigy, Vincent Keimer, which was a specific move order in a very popular opening. So it was basically a position that had been reached thousands of times. But the move order Magnus chose with white was played maybe 0.05% of the time, which is crazy. It's thousands of games. And it's supposed to be not good, meaning it allows black to equalize. Because that's what black is going for. Not winning the game, but equalizing, because you go second. Magnus says, I don't care about equalizing. I just want a position. I don't want my opponent to know the answers to the test. And
that's so interesting. Yeah. Because also fucks you psychologically. It throws you off and just always keep you on your toes. He's in a weird position, but he also has the advantage of being able to intimidate.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder how many people... how much is that a role of it? Like being scared of the other person?
It's a huge role, I think. I think some of the top guys would deny it, but you know when you're in the 7th hour and you're playing Magnus,
Yeah.
It's a very different feeling than some of the other. When Magnus is messing around in the opening, it's very different than another person messing around in the opening. You just kind of like expect for something to be there.